Hi there, we're going to be going over some of the new arrivals here at Manassas Park City Library. So today we're going to be doing adult fiction, and we'll start with some of the mysteries and thrillers we got in. Now to start us off, we did get 2 Richard Osman books, and that is The Bullet That Missed and The Last Devil to Die. These are part of a series, books 3 and 4. We also got The Housemaid and The Housemaid's Secret by Freida McFadden. And these are said to be a psychological thriller. And then moving on to some of the romance that we did get, we got All Roads Lead Home by Debbie Macomber. This is actually 2 books in one. This is a contemporary romance. And we also got King of Pride and King of Wrath by Anna Huang. And these are a steamy billionaire romance based off of the 7 Deadly Sins. We also just got in So Not Meant to Be by Megan Quinn. And this is a workplace enemies to lovers romance. We also got in Two Twisted Crowns by Rachel Gillig. And this is the sequel to One Dark Window, and this is a fantasy romance. And then last but not least, we did get a historical fiction, and that is October in the Earth by Olivia Hawker. And this takes place in Kentucky and is about a wife who rides trains to free herself after her husband's affair. And then we did get a sci-fi in, and that is Starter Villain by John Scalzi. And this is about a guy who inherits a villain business from his uncle and has no idea what he is doing. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you come in and check out some of these books. We're going to be doing these every week where I show you new stuff that we're getting in. Every week it's going to be a little different. Anyways, bye.